Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to use Photoshop to place photos into shapes and even text using something called a clipping mask. It's a simple process, and once you get the hang of it, it's a really powerful way to get creative in Photoshop. Here's my background layer. It has the type, it has the white background color. I'm going to add a new layer. The first thing I'm going to do is make a square. You can hold Shift while you're dragging it out. That'll make a perfect square. I'm going to kind of put it here in the center. Add the photo on top of that black square. What you do is you right click on the layer that you just added and go to Create Clipping Mask. Now you see it's confined to this square. However, it's too big, so I can resize that photo with a free transform and I can get it to where the size that I'd like. This is one of the main advantages of a clipping mask, is that you can move things around without destroying parts of the photo. You're not cutting and throwing away parts of the photo, you're just basically hiding them. If you select the frame and move that, you'll see that that's going to move. But you can also resize the frame. You can make it larger, you can make it smaller. So it's a really powerful and easy way to place a photo and control the size and shape of it. Next example, let's say we want to put BB-8 inside this circle that I've already created on this one. The level of black is what controls what you see when you create a clipping mask. So you want the rest of that layer to be transparent. I'm going to place BB-8 more or less over the circle. I'm going to select Create Clipping Mask. Voila, he's inside the circle. Now, of course, I can do another free transform, get him a little bit better size right inside of there. Another common application is to place a photo inside the shape of text. So you see here I wrote the word sticks with just my normal text tool, and then I have behind it this cool picture of sticks that I took, and I can just drag these sticks over on top as always, create a clipping mask, and you see that it's constrained inside the sticks. And it looks pretty cool, and you can use this in a lot of different applications. But then you see maybe I can't really see my sticks as well as I'd like to because the letters are too small. So then I can go to my text layer and I can just edit that. And let's say I'll put it into a different font. Maybe I'll put it into Work Sans, which I know is a little bit thicker, and I'll go all the way up to black. Then you can see that I see a little bit more if I move either the mask itself or the sticks around. Another thing that would be cool maybe is if I could alter the shape of the layers. Maybe I'll make it narrower and taller. You can do whatever you want, and you'll see that basically it's like you're changing the size of the window that's showing the photo. If I would like to move this back to the center of the canvas, I can just go over and select both layers and then move them together. So that's it. Have fun with clipping masks. It's a really powerful and easy tool to elevate the creativity of your projects. Thanks for watching.